Hi, I'm Rod Stone from Stone Accounting and Business Advisory. Today's message is specifically for Australian-based businesses, and we're going to be talking about the government financial assistance packages that's been made available to a wide range of businesses that have been affected by government shutdowns, lockdowns and other restrictions. So if you're a business owner in Australia, there's three things that you should be doing today. And the first thing is finding out what's available. So depending on what state you operate your business, you should go to your state government website. You'll see on there a link to COVID financial assistance packages, and most of the state government websites have also pulled in the federal government assistance packages to their website. So they're presented in slightly different formats on the state government sites, either in a table or a nice list. You can see everything there that's available to you. Another place to look is your local council. We're finding clients are getting more benefits from local councils that are offering things around Australia for things like cash handouts, vouchers, rebates and things like that. So check out your local council website as well. The second thing is eligibility. This is where it gets a little bit tricky and where a number of businesses have found it difficult to get what they thought they were entitled to. So we've been looking through all of the government assistance packages at the state and federal level, and there seems to be three main areas of eligibility. The first one is whether you've been in a lockdown area or not. The second one is around your ATO ANSZIC code. Now your ATO ANSZIC code is the industry code that you've told the government that you operate in. So that would have been chosen when you first set up your ABN, and also when you lodge your tax return each year. On your tax return, you also state your ATO ANSZIC code. So if that sounds a bit confusing and you want a bit more clarification about that, please leave a message in the comments or contact me with a direct message. But your ANSZIC code is critical, because we've had a couple of businesses come to us, and they're now clients of ours, who were rejected, had their grant applications rejected. Based on the list of industries that the government said were eligible, they thought they operated in those industries, and they certainly do, but their ANSZIC code reflected the business they started 5 and 10 years ago, and their businesses have slightly evolved into different industries. So what that means is that when they set up their ABN, the industry they were in is different to the industry they're in today, and that made them ineligible. So we looked behind the scenes, we fixed that for them, we redid the application, and they got the funding, so they were very happy. So that's a critical component. The third area of eligibility appears to be mainly around demonstrating and proving a decline in income. So this is another area where we may be able to help you. Your income can be calculated in a number of different ways. For example, you can calculate your income on a cash basis or an accruals basis, and that might be the difference between you being eligible or ineligible for some of these financial assistance programs. So again, if you want to talk more about that, we're here to help you. The third thing that the businesses should be looking at is how to apply. So you need to start looking at that to understand how long it's going to take. Most of these applications are online. Most of the time you'll have all the information available that you need. However, there may be some specific requirements that could take time, could take days. With these assistance programs, if you miss the deadline, it's too late. There's no appeals process, there's no way that we can get the government to reconsider your application. You must meet the deadlines and to be eligible for the funding and the financial assistance packages. So if you need help with that, if you don't have that support around you, we're here to help. You can send a direct message to us or leave a comment below. We'd love to help you out. Thank you.